Cooking is more than just a daily task, it's an art form. This Umetre 12.6-inch carbon steel wok pan brings you closer to mastering your culinary skills with ease and style. This hand-hammered, round-bottom wok combines traditional craftsmanship with modern design, offering unmatched durability, versatility, and performance. Whether you're a home cook or a professional chef, this wok is crafted to elevate your cooking experience. Why choose the Umetre Carbon Steel Wok Pan? The Umetre Wok stands out as a premium choice for those seeking an authentic and efficient cooking tool. Here's why this wok deserves a spot in your kitchen. 1. Material excellence. Crafted from high-quality carbon steel, this wok provides superior heat conduction and retention. The absence of chemical coatings ensures a safe, natural, non-stick surface that develops over time with proper seasoning. 2. Hand-hammered craftsmanship. The hand-hammered finish not only adds a touch of tradition, but also increases the wok's durability and cooking performance. This wok is a testament to time-honored craftsmanship. 3. Versatility in cooking. Whether it's stir-frying, deep-frying, braising, or searing, the Umetre Wok allows you to explore a range of cooking techniques. Its wide, round bottom ensures even heat distribution, locking in flavors and nutrients for the perfect dish every time. 4. User-friendly features. Ergonomic wooden handle. Stay cool to the touch and provides a comfortable grip. Detachable design. Easily store the wok or use it in the oven. Step lid design. The wooden lid fits snugly, trapping steam for faster and more efficient cooking. Hanging ring. Saves kitchen space and ensures easy drying after use. 5. Chemical-free and eco-friendly. The wok is free from harmful chemical coatings. Its nitriding process reduces rusting, ensuring a long-lasting and sustainable kitchen tool. Performance. A culinary marvel, the Umetre Carbon Steel Wok Pan delivers exceptional cooking performance. Rapid heating. Carbon steel heats up quickly and evenly, allowing for precise control over your cooking. Flavor enhancement. The round-bottom design and heat retention help to lock in the natural flavors and aromas of your ingredients. Durability. Built to withstand high temperatures and daily use, this wok is a long-term investment. Pre-seasoning and care tips to ensure longevity and maximize the wok's potential. 1. Pre-seasoning. Season the wok with a light coat of oil to create a natural non-stick layer. 2. Cleaning. Avoid harsh detergents, instead clean with warm water and a soft sponge. 3. Storage. Store in a dry place and apply a light oil coating to prevent rust. Who should buy the Umetre Carbon Steel Wok Pan? This wok is perfect for home cooks who want to elevate their meals with authentic stir-frying. Professional chefs seeking reliable and high-performing cookware. Anyone passionate about Asian cuisine and traditional cooking methods. How does it compare to competitors? While many woks on the market claim to deliver high performance, the Umetre Wok stands out due to its unique combination of features. Hand-hammered craftsmanship. Many woks lack this level of authenticity. Chemical-free surface. Unlike non-stick alternatives, this wok provides a safe, natural cooking surface. Versatility. Perfect for a variety of cooking methods, from stir-frying to braising. Conclusion. Transform your cooking experience today. This Umetre 12.6-inch carbon steel wok pan isn't just another piece of cookware, it's a gateway to authentic, flavorful, and efficient cooking. Its hand-hammered craftsmanship and premium carbon steel material embody the perfect balance of tradition and innovation. Whether you're stir-frying vibrant vegetables, searing juicy meats, or simmering aromatic sauces, this wok delivers results that are nothing short of spectacular. What sets the Umetre Wok apart is its versatility and user-friendly design. From its rapid heating capabilities to its ergonomic wooden handle and detachable features, every detail is crafted to make cooking effortless and enjoyable. Unlike other woks that rely on chemical coatings, this carbon steel wok develops a natural non-stick surface over time, making it a safer and more sustainable option for your kitchen. When you invest in the Umetre Carbon Steel Wok, you're not just purchasing a cooking tool, you're committing to a better cooking experience, one where flavors are enhanced and every dish turns out perfect. The rave reviews from satisfied users only confirm its superior quality and performance. Why wait? Upgrade your kitchen with the Umetre Carbon Steel Wok Pan today and elevate your culinary journey to new heights. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.